Laudetur Jesus Christus. Today I want to speak about so-called interrogative statements, enunciata interrogativa. And they are as follows. Ne, which is added to the word, and then there is nonne, num, and numquid. When the response is uncertain, we don't know if it will be affirmative or negative, then we can add ne to the verb of question. For example, vidisti ne amicum tuum hodie. Vidisti, as you have seen, past tense. Vidisti ne amicum tuum hodie means, did you see your friend today? I don't know what the answer will be. Perhaps you have, perhaps you did, perhaps you didn't. Vidisti ne amicum tuum hodie. If I expect the response to be affirmative, then I could say, nonne amicum tuum vidisti hodie, which could be translated as, you saw your friend today, didn't you? Nonne amicum tuum vidisti hodie. If I expect a negative response, then I would say, num amicum tuum vidisti hodie. You didn't see your friend today, did you? I expect a negative answer. Num amicum tuum vidisti hodie. Another example could be, num cogitas quid dicas. Do you even think, do you even realize what you are saying? Num cogitas quid dicas. Remember, quid is what, and quis is who in questions, in sentences of question. So, num cogitas quid dicas. Num quid hic est. He isn't here, is he? Num quid hic est. I could also say, num quis hic est. There isn't anyone here, is there? Num quis hic est. Notice the difference. Num quid hic est. Num quis hic est. So, num quid hic est is he isn't here, is he? Num quis hic est. There isn't anyone here, is there? Nunquid qui cadit non resurget. One who falls, doesn't he rise again? Nunquid qui cadit non resurget. Nunquid talia sentire debemus. Are we supposed to feel that way? Are we supposed to be of that opinion? Are we? Nunquid talia sentire debemus. Num credibile est hoc. This isn't believable, is it? Num credibile est hoc. Nonne cor nostrum ardens erat in nobis. Were not our hearts burning within us? Nonne cor nostrum ardens erat in nobis. Nonne ridiculum est hoc. This is ridiculous, isn't it? Nonne ridiculum est hoc. Estne ridiculum hoc. Is this ridiculous? Yes? No? Estne ridiculum hoc. Nunquid ridiculum est hoc. Nunquid ridiculum est hoc. So again, nonne ridiculum est hoc. Estne ridiculum hoc. Nunquid ridiculum est hoc. Nonne, isn't it? Nonne. I could say, illud est quod semper dicebam, nonne? That's what I've been always saying, isn't it? Illud est quod semper dicebam, nonne? And finally, there's a combination of words that are used to express the idea of whether something or not. And the words are utrum and non. I could say, Nescio utrum hoc legere debeo, an non. I don't know if I should read this or not. Nescio utrum hoc legere debeo, an non. So I just wanted to mention briefly a few things about this so-called enunciata interrogativa, interrogative statements. And I also want to mention that in a previous, I think it was 2 segments ago, I was talking about the adjectives that end in us, a, And I should mention that some of them in the masculine, instead of having us, have an ending of er, air, as in, for example, in pulcher, pulcra, pulcrum, or dexter, dextera, dexterum, or sinister, sinistra, sinistrum, or sacer, sacra, sacrum, sacred, or macer, macra, macrum, thin or skinny, or piger, pigra, pigrum, lazy or sluggish. So I wanted to make that addition, that if you should ever run into some of these adjectives, you would understand that these also belong to that group that we call the us, a, group of adjectives. And with that, with this brief, much less than 15 minutes of Latin a day, I end this particular brief segment that had to do mainly with the issue of how to ask questions in the language of the Romans, in Sermone Romano. Ergo, valeatis quam optime.